we doing today, Caroline?
Fuck if I know. Oh wait, you'll have to edit that.
Let's try that again. What are we doing today, Caroline?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Let's find out, yeah. So we got Dog Me last episode. We did the very first mission with the Minutemen where you meet Preston Garvey and stuff. You could go back to Sanctuary and start that mission if you wanted. Or you could just keep wandering around. That's fun too.
I'm gonna try and go on an adventure if I can.
Oh, hell yeah. Sid and Caroline. A solo adventure. You're getting shot
Adventuring
at.
again.
Nice.
Fuck.
Shit. Maybe you need to be playing this more. You're doing good with that. Oh, ghoul.
Fuck. I can't do it with these big targets. Ah! Oh, I didn't like that.
Reload, reload, reload.
Oh, I didn't like that. Take one for the team, Dog Me. I did not like that.
You've only got 4 bullets left.
I don't care. I did not like that. Let's talk about that.
Oh,
That
yeah.
was terrifying.
Yeah, they're really freaky in this game, and there's more of them over there too. They're probably already coming at you. Okay, maybe not.
Don't freak me out like that.
There are more though, I swear. Use your shotgun. That's pretty post-apocalyptic.
Heck yeah.
That's pretty Mad Max of you.
Hey. Let me shoot your face off. Oh my goodness. I got you though. Come here. Thanks, Dog Meat.
I thought that was another ghoul grabbing that one by the leg and flinging him down.
No survivors.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Whoa, whoa.
Okay. We're
Yeah,
okay.
you might want to take care of that. That'll severely impact your aim. There's a ghoul behind you.
What will severely impact my... Oh.
Your arm got crippled.
Cram.
Now you gotta use a stim pack.
You mean cram doesn't fix everything?
I'm sure that's what the ad campaign tells you.
That's how they get the big bucks. Eight. Oh, oh, stop, stop.
Time out, time out.
Time out. Too apocalyptic.
Oh, hell yeah.
Stop.
I told you there were a bunch
I
more.
don't like it. I want them to stop.
You gotta let them get a little bit closer to you. That's the trade-off with a shotgun.
Fudge.
Oh, fudge stickle.
Yeah, I said fudge.
Hey, take the cigarettes.
Okay.
That'll be our character's thing.
Their shtick.
Meat Grinder's a heavy smoker.
Meat Grinder likes to grind them smokies.
You got a cigarette?
Meat Grinder needs some more.
Patty and Selma. You know, like from The Simpsons. Do you know who Patty and Selma is?
No.
It's Marge's sisters.
Oh. I didn't know that.
They're like always smoking. Smoking hot, you say.
Haha.
Hey, check that dead body.
Dude, where'd you
Ooh,
come from?
instructions. Hey, yeah, check out those instructions.
Okay. Do I want buff out? What does buff out do?
Sure, it's a drug.
Okay.
Okay, go to Misk. Yeah, check that out. Deliver your package to the old switching station. The runner arrives at midnight. If you need gear, look for the blue barrel. So that's a cool little quest you can go on. We can look for the blue barrel and see if we can find some gear. Which might be around here, actually. I guess this is the switching station. You see a blue barrel anywhere?
I'll look in a second. I'm a
I'll
little
look in this
distracted.
cabinet.
I'm a little distracted by loot. Pipe pistol? I could sell that. Is selling important in this game?
I mean, you can. I never did it too much.
I would hoard so much stuff in like Skyrim, that game, and then
Yeah.
like sell it all later.
So this totally is the switching station then. Which means blue barrel.
Blue barrel.
Yeah, it could be one of those Cars. It's a red barrel or red something.
Read something or other. Is there a blue barrel in here?
The blue something. Oh, Mentats.
Mentats.
Yeah, that's a Dune reference.
Oh.
I think. I think Dune is where Mentats first, when that term was first coined. Mentats are people that use spice to get really smart and do heavy calculations.
Ah. So is Dune about like the future of this reality, or just the future of like a fake fantasy reality?
Well, I'm pretty sure in Dune, this is just me. I'm pretty sure what happened is on Earth, the computers really fucked some shit up, and so that's why they don't use computers in Dune. I think because of maybe AI or something. And so everything in Dune is like way, way, way future. I think. This isn't like a long time ago in a galaxy far away type of thing.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, you need to read that book.
I do. I have it. I just need to read it.
I've got 2 copies of it.
Yeah, and I got you the second book.
Yeah, you did, which I have not read.
Yeah, and that's okay. Hey, rifle. Where's that freaking blue barrel? Do I need to start a mission in order to find it?
No.
Okay.
No, it's just a little bit of lore for you. I don't know, it could have been where you came from, where those ghouls came. Ah, yes, the blue barrel. You better
Bitch.
reload. Oh, there's a blue barrel behind you. Yeah.
Nice.
Alright.
Oh, mining helmet. I hope it has a light.
The welded chest piece, that's pretty good. You really should put on some armor.
I should. I think
you
I've got
have
like
armor
one
on?
thing. Wait.
Go to inventory.
Oh, inventory. My bad.
Oh yeah, you got some on.
Just a little bit. Mining helmet. Yay.
Oh yeah, that's way better than what you got.
Nice.
Did you check that medical box?
No. Stim pack right away.
Radaway's really good.
Yeah, that's just for radiation, right?
Yeah, I really like how they handled radiation in this game.
Yeah, to preface, even though this is the second episode, I should preface that I do not know a whole lot about this game. I was not very invested in Fallout games growing up, so I'm sorry if I just sound dumb.
Well, you're doing good.
Alright, so I found that blue bucket. Do I just go on to a new thing now?
Yeah, you just keep exploring, or you can check out one of your missions. You can fast travel somewhere.
Can you do anything with pre-war money?
I think you can sell it.
Start some fires with it?
Wipe your booty with it.
Ooh. I bet that's what money would become useful for. Just
Yeah.
butt wiping. Except the coins. That would be a little bit more tricky.
Butt scratching.
Butt scratching, yeah. Or you could like manufacture a really high-tech back scratcher that can like roll on your back. That would be good.
Yeah, that would be pretty far out. That's exactly the kind of future innovation this world needs.
Exactly.
Now you're gonna be pretty hard up on ammo for a little bit. When these games start out, you might not have a lot of ammo, but eventually you'll get really badass. Hey, check out that station over there. Yeah, there's a light on.
A mystery.
I think I know what happens here, but I'm not gonna tell you.
Ooh, it's a drive-in. Let's watch a movie. You want to watch Men in Black?
I want to watch Mad Max. I've been thinking about it.
Die. Die. Dog meat, run! Dog meat, help!
Help me, dog meat.
Help me, dog meat! Die! Damn it. Oh, I'm out. How sad.
Well, you do got a laser musket and a pipe rifle
I'm gonna beat them to death.
and a minigun.
I'm mad at them. Die! My brute force will destroy you.
That was pretty
Come
good.
at me. I'm not done yet. Why do you have a spoon, weirdo? Oh, I'm just getting radiation.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you. Be very careful in there.
Okay.
If you go inside. And that's why.
Thanks, dog meat. All trusty dog meat helps you out.
Yeah, just watch the ground. Oh, there's cigarettes. You better grab them. Yeah. Ooh, fancy lad snack cakes. Nothing but the
Yummy.
best from my dog.
I could use those aluminum cans for water, but I'm not gonna.
That'd be true survival mode right there. That'd be pretty far out.
Get out of the way. Nice lighter. Alright. Nothing sketchy. I'm only crouching so I can see better.
You're crouching because you're scared, aren't you?
I'm scared I can't see. Ooh, Dead Man's Attic.
Hell yeah. Dead Man's Attic. Last time I was in a Dead Man's Attic, well, I'd rather not finish that story.
I won't make you.
Take those bullets.
Hmm.
You gotta scavenge for your well-being.
Yeah. Don't need that lighter though.
You gotta have something to smoke your cigarettes with. Unless you're trying to quit, meat
I can
grinder.
use the never mind, I can't. I can't use
my
the
fucking
radiation.
pistol. The radiation. That's a good idea. Really, at this point, your biggest threat is probably gonna be raiders.
They wish.
I would recommend that you try not to fuck with any super mutants yet.
I win.
That reminds me of that Dillinger Escape Plan song. Hollywood Squares. Game over! You win! Game over! I win! You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good song. That's a good band. The track's got a little fuzzy.
Little bird up there.
Shoot that
Can I-
bird. Shoot
can I
that bird up there. Shoot that
I'm gonna
bird.
shoot that bird. I'm hungry.
I haven't had nothing to eat. but
I
a little bit of
don't
cram.
know. Oh, yummy!
That's his fucking head.
Yummy!
Nice little giblets.
Where'd the rest of him go?
Meat grinder already grinded him up.
Yeah, he's consumed.
Better be careful, it's a full moon out. You know what that means.
Mutant werewolves.
Oh. Hello.
Goodbye.
Hello. Good shot, mate.
Oh, it's a cow. I'm gonna get the meat. Thank you.
That's a deer.
No, that was a cow.
It's a rad stag doe.
Oh, I thought it was the cow. My bad. Goodbye. Hey, free light.
Over here.
Oh, hell no!
Behind you. You must have woken
Oh,
up.
hell no. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell yeah. Some
Hell
ammo.
Yeah. Give me that.
Yeah, there aren't really raider factions in this game, which is something you find a lot in like New Vegas and stuff.
Ah! Radiation! Dog meat's just doing the stanky leg over there.
You better shoot that ghoul.
He's fine.
Oh
Dog meat.
damn, dog meat. That's a lot of radiation, homie. You might want to pop that rat away.
Yeah, you're right. I've got a bunch of them. That's good.
Radix will make you give you a higher defense against radiation.
I should have ate that Deathclaw meat before I took that, damn it. Nuka-Cola.
There's nothing in there. I would be very careful
This is
if I
the
were
only
you.
reason I'm alive. Just to suffer. You got this, dog meat.
Fuck 'em
Go,
up, dog
go! I've got $5 on this.
meat.
Win!
Oh shit.
All the babies are out. It's babies' kids.
It's baby's kids, dude.
Stop! Good job, dog meat.
Oh shit.
You broke everything.
So did you ever play like Fallout 3 or New Vegas?
Not really. I mean, like, my brother's 5 years older than me, so I watched him play a lot of games when I
Yeah.
was growing up. So I most likely saw New Vegas and Fallout 3 growing up, but I never played them myself.
I played a lot of Fallout 3. Little bit of New Vegas. Never beat New Vegas or Fallout 3, but I played the fuck out of Fallout 3. I played a lot of the Alien DLC. I would just keep playing it over and over. Like I'd save it and then do it and then reload a save. Because when I was a kid, I never really progressed the story much. I still don't progress the story much. I just kind of, like in Skyrim, I'll get to where the dragons start showing up and then I just do my own shit.
Oh,
Usually join
yeah.
the Thieves Guild.
Sometimes the dragons can really put a damper on things. Okay, I blew up. But yeah, like, sometimes it's just more fun if you don't have to run into a dragon all the time.
Yeah. Yeah, when I was playing Oblivion, I never progressed the story. I would just play on other people's saves. And there was this one save that had the Blade of Woe equipped, and so I would just load that save and go fuck shit up like that.
Oh, hell yeah.
Aw, that little puddle's making a heart.
Aww,
That's cute.
how sweet. It's a love puddle.
The love puddle. Lap up that love puddle. I think you can go in there from in the other way, or maybe right. Yeah, I guess right there too.
I was just gonna go around it. I feel like I have to go here for another mission at some point.
You might.
I'll leave it alone
I honestly
for now.
do not know that.
Well, I can't go around here. Let me in. I could get up. Wait, no. I was gonna say get up from there, but it looks like it disconnects.
Stupid bridge.
Stupid bridge, why don't you work? Loot these houses real quick. Oh, I can go inside?
Oh. It's not like a open the door and go inside. It's like
Yeah.
an open the door and load the inside.
Yeah, that's weird. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Hello.
Dog me, how did you spawn up the stairs?
He's just snooping around. Hello, I'm in your house.
Ooh, expert lock.
I don't even know if I have any lockpicks.
I doubt it. Ooh, that's
Moonshine.
there's some liquor up there. Bourbon.
Bourbon, moonshine, alright.
More fuel for the meat grinder, baby.
Hell yeah. Keeps me on chugging.
I like how each Fallout has a different name for the wasteland. Like in Fallout 3, it's the Capital Wasteland. In New Vegas, it's the Mojave. Here, it's the Commonwealth.
So, is each Fallout set in a different, like, era of the apocalypse, basically?
Yeah, pretty much. In Fallout 3, you are born in a vault, and you live up until you're pretty much an adult, and shit goes down, you escape the vault, and you go off searching for your dad. In Fallout New Vegas, you are a courier who carries packages to different people, and you get ambushed and shot in one of your things, in one of your missions, and you get revived and start the game in a little hospital in a tiny little town. And then, of course, in this game, you live before the war.
Yeah, I was wondering, like, so it would be interesting if one person was, I guess, like living, let's say, 80 years after the war.
Mhm.
The next person, 120 years after the war. Next person, 200 years after the war.
Yeah.
Like, that's pretty interesting. Just seeing how things are in the wasteland every era.
Yeah, and then eventually, as if nature starts to creep back into the world, that'd be pretty cool.
Oh yeah, like having a fifth Fallout, and it's just like the greenery starts to start creeping through.
Hmm.
That would be really cool.
I think it may have froze.
Oh, that usually fixes it
Oh,
for me.
radiation storm.
Oh my god, that must have been what fucked it up.
With things like swimming in pea soup out here. Yummy.
I guess I better just go back in.
Nah, don't.
I'm
you're
gonna go
already
back
doing
in.
it. Yeah, you just go in there and like sleep or wait.
Yeah. I don't think I have any lock picks.
No bobby
Yeah, I
pins.
don't.
I don't think
Bobby
you'd be able to
pins.
pick an expert lock anyways. I literally don't think it would let you.
Oh, I was thinking of it like in Skyrim terms, where even if you aren't at the level, you can still attempt to do it.
Yeah, that was a really cool way to do it. Do you remember the lock picking in Oblivion?
Yes, it was very difficult for me to learn.
Yeah,
Honestly,
I still remember the sound of all the tumblers or all the pins falling down.
Wait, I can just wait here. My bad.
Did you know I know how to lockpick?
In which game?
Like in real life?
I don't know how to lockpick.
No, did you know I know how to?
Oh, you know how to?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you told me.
Yeah, one of my good friends got a lockpicking set, like a little practice lock, and he got that and some padlocks, and we spent a couple the summer nights in high school over at his place doing it.
That's cool.
That sounds different when I say it like that. We spent a couple nights at his place doing it. No,
Doing
we,
the lock
we,
picking.
doing the lock picking business. Oh yeah, it's a
Yay.
beautiful day.
It is. A beautiful new day
lush-
for new experiences.
Blue sky. Not a cloud in sight. A Braxo cleaner.
Some cleaner. That'll come in handy at some point. I don't know when. Oh yeah, I was gonna go up here.
Oh yeah, I think you can make that. If it'll let you like move on that slope.
I can go up
Okay,
here.
nice. Just keep an eye out.
I think on one of these there's like a little camp. I don't know though. This is like memory from years and years ago.
Yeah, somebody's built something.
I just fall through the ground and break my legs.
Your legs are crippled.
You're over encumbered.
Well, that was a little anticlimactic.
Yeah. I thought there'd be more going on. I wish you could like check the cars like in 7 Days to Die.
Or Project Zomboid. That'd be
Yeah.
awesome. We could play Project Zomboid sometime.
Heck yeah,
Well, we're
and 7 Days to Die, but it would be very like it would be the old graphics if we do it on Xbox.
No, we could do it from the Steam Deck.
Oh, that would be great.
Yeah. Yeah, we were talking about playing some game for Halloween. I think we were thinking about maybe doing Outlast or Resident Evil 8.
Yeah, because those would be good games. Like they're pretty spooky, especially Outlast.
I was about to say, especially Resident Evil 8. The way that when you first are introduced to combat, and how everything just happens at once,
Mhm.
and then that scene with that baby thing. Oh my god, that freaked me out.
That baby thing's like one of the worst things about it. It's just creepy.
Yeah, it was horrifying. You don't have any weapons either.
Yeah, you have to hide.
We're gonna have to do. You know what we should do?
What?
We should play the new Silent Hill when it comes out.
Oh, we should. We've got to play games when they come out. I mean,
We
yeah.
do. We just gotta find the money to do that.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be the worst part, finding the money. Because they're getting so much more expensive. They've gone from like $50 per new game to like $60, and now what is it, 80? Like almost 80?
I think it's 70.
70. That's just I don't like that. I don't make enough to really be able to spend on stuff like that.
Yeah,
Like
it's
as a normal person with a normal job.
it's like a full day's work for a game I don't even know if I'm gonna like.
Exactly. It's like, and yeah, you'd have to work, like, if you were making $10 an hour, you know, you'd work an 8-hour shift just to make enough for that, and then some, just a
Yeah.
little bit.
World's fucked up, man.
It is.
You can pop that rat away and go in that little tunnel if you want. You might not even need the rat away. That could be a ghoul in there, though. I don't know if it's a skeleton or a ghoul. That's a skeleton.
They did.
Hello, dead people.
Hello. Okay.
Ooh, are those Mirelurk eggs? Yeah, I love Mirelurks.
I'm gonna take that. Yeah, let me just drink this water. Chocolate milk.
Tastes like radiation.
Radiated chocolate milk. I really want to go up here, but I don't know how to get up here.
Turn around. Go left.
Ooh.
Oh.
Uh,
Uh-oh.
Why is that even there? Stupid apocalypse.
Maybe there will be something here.
I can't wait to find.
Let's
Let me start that over again.
try that again, yeah. You can level up.
Damn it! I did it again. Let me out. Yeah, I'll level up once I get up here.
Try it from the far right.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, here we go. You can fuck him up with that laser musket if you charge it twice.
If I charge it twice?
Yeah.
The hell does that mean?
You press X to charge it, and it'll like go.
That's sick. Oh
Yeah,
my
just
God.
you gotta make sure your shots hit.
Damn it! I just went past them. Die. Oh, I have to charge it each time?
Remember, you
Oh
can
my
melee
gosh.
'em.
Dead.
Dead in the water.
Dead. Dead in the water.
Bow, 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 bow,
I was gonna say that, but I didn't want to risk anything.
This got a lot of letters. Oh, it's a reference to the Postman.
The
It's gotta
Postman.
be, yeah. It's a,
Oh,
it's a book.
that's
I think
cool.
it's called The Postman.
Iguana on a stick. Do I need that? Heck yeah. Okay. Some more protection.
You're doing really good so far. We haven't died once.
Oh yeah, I guess we haven't. That's cool. I want to get on top of them.
I almost said, you better jump. But I didn't. Because I thought, surely she's gonna jump.
I didn't see it. I didn't see it. I was looking at the top. I was looking at these. I was like, I want to go up there.
That's a good way to fall off of anything.
Okay, so there goes that streak of not dying.
It's kind of ironic now. Stop shooting at me.
Stop shooting at me. It's not fair.
There we go.
I deserved that.
You were a little bit reckless.
I was, but it's for the fun.
It's for the fun, yeah.
What am I if I can't beat some people with a baton?
Dead, I guess.
I guess. Maybe not edit them out, but just like do little shortcuts to where you just show the deaths.
Yeah. I'll do it right when I say we haven't died once, and then I'll just cut to us dying a bunch.
No, you have to see the lead up and then just like go on to the other ones, and then I'm just gonna walk away.
I think that's a good idea. Don't go that way. Oh, you could probably make that.
I can make it. Dies. I would hate to be the owners of these cars. They'd be pissed. If they weren't dead. Do you want to take over and play?
Sure, yeah.
I've been playing for a good chunk of time. Heck yeah, it's Sid
alright,
time.
Sid time, yeah, let's rock it. Yeah, I'm not going over there. You see that big brute?
Oh my goodness, yeah, don't go over there. We haven't been doing so good.
Oh, he sees me. Look at that. I think he's got a rocket launcher.
So don't come any closer.
Mm.
Nice fungus.
Your fungus score is like a 7 out of 10 Fallout. I'll have to hold my judgment until I see more. I just know there's gonna be Mirelurks over here.
Well, your fungus score is a 10 out of 10 because you're a fungi.
Shit, you got some health, boy.
Chat, you know what I'm saying.
Wait, what were you saying? Sorry.
I said that your score is a 10 out of 10 because you're a fungi.
Thank you. I am a mushroom person.
I love me some mushrooms. I like their texture a lot.
Feral.
Oh, arm, leg, arm, leg. Oh.
Hello.
I hate how fast they run. It grosses me out.
Yeah, they did a really good job with the ghouls in this game. I'd say that they're probably the freakiest in this game for me.
I remember
Not
watching.
Not that I'm scared or anything.
I remember being a kid and watching my older brother play what I think was Fallout New Vegas. And it's
Yeah.
when you're in one of those abandoned buildings on a mission, and there are a bunch of plants around. And then at one point you walk by them, and then these fucking just ghouls emerge, like covered in plants, and like they blended in with the plants, and they just emerge and scare the shit out of you. It's like some Dead Space shit. We're just surprising you.
Fuck. Man, he is in there. Look at that.
Yeah, he's just rooted in. He's a part of the ground now. I don't think he can come out.
I bet he'd come out if I do this.
Come on, baby. Come on out.
Okay.
I'm waiting for you.
He disappeared.
We can do that all.
He's
honky
fucking
tonk.
gone.
Do some tap dancing, you know what I mean.
Ooh, there's a dead body in there. My favorite.
Oh, yippee! He's fresh. So, what makes these guys different from the actual, like, functioning human ghouls?
These are feral.
So, like, is it like a brain chemistry type of thing? Or.
I think some of them just got so irradiated that they just kind of turned into like zombie type things.
Ah,
Whereas other ones just
we're just people.
are just normal people. They're just really fucked up and scarred by the radiation.
Wow. It's really interesting.
Fucking love doing that. It's satisfying.
I think overgrown stuff like this is so interesting. Just seeing how, like, I don't know, how the nature it will reclaim in some aspects.
Ooh.
Obviously, this nature can't reclaim very much with all the radiation.
Yeah, it's pretty drab, but aside from the mushrooms. They keep me company.
Yeah, mushrooms are thriving.
Hey, Codsworth.
Wow! Oh, Mr. Gutsy.
Curfew is in effect. Return to your home immediately.
Sure. This is pointless. The war
This is pointless.
is
I'm meat
over.
grinder.
Under the terms of the Martial Law Act,
Meat grinder doesn't have to deal with these things.
comply.
Let me through. I'm on.
Analyzing vocal patterns. Confidence interval 60%.
Yeah, 60% confident.
Yay!
Hey, that's like a D in college, right? A 60.
I think so in college. In high
got-
school,
I
isn't
got-
that like a D or a C?
That's a F in high school.
Is
dude.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I made. Oh, a super mutant said something, so I'm a little iffy right now. I don't want to fuck with super mutants yet.
Super mutants are super scary.
They're super spooky.
Super spooky mutants.
Okay. I guess if there was a super mutant, he's pretty far away now.
Thanks for not letting go of dog meat.
Dogmeat found something. What'd you find, boy? A rifle? Where did it go? Did you give it to me?
Thanks, dude. I think he did.
Bobby pin box, nice.
Just
Day
a
tr-
dead dude.
Hello, sweet roll.
Hello there. Mr. Trader.
Okay, lock picking. Yeah, I know how to lock pick. Look at that.
That's
Yay! Good job.
What is Day Tripper? You want me to take it?
Yeah, go ahead. Just send it.
Alright, set and setting, okay? Locked in
Okay.
this irradiated hydroponic set. Oh,
Dog meat.
I didn't know you could do that.
Who
Good
taught
trick.
you that?
Good trick, boy. Alright, let's take some Day Tripper.
Time to trip in the day.
Are you real?
Say hi if you're real.
I kind of wonder if I should do a mission. Or a quest, I mean.
I mean, it's your time to shine. You do whatever you want.
Yeah, I think I'll do that. I think I'll explore a teeny bit more and then I'll do it.
Yeah, personally, I was just farting around.
Oh, wait. I know where I'm at. I'm pretty close to Diamond City.
Oh, yay!
Oh, yeah, I'll get us there real quick. I think I heard gunshots in the distance. I don't know.
I heard
have
it
the
too.
game. Yeah, we have the game volume pretty low, so it doesn't seep into the actual recording.
Yeah, we like to look after you guys.
Hell yeah.
Uh
Oh no.
oh. What the fuck are you wearing, dude? I want that.
God, talk about shoot first and ask questions later.
Need some cover fire over here.
Talk about you guys are terrible raiders.
Raid this.
Yeah, I like it when you stay down there. I'm gonna get rid of this grenade dude real quick. Fuck you, dude. Yeah, keep missing by all means. I want your gear, I want your gear, I want your gear.
Please, Miss Mole.
I want your gear so bad I can taste it.
You hurt dog meat.
Did I?
I think he did.
Oh.
Or somebody else did.
Yeah, you did a good job, Dog Me. I'm proud of you, buddy.
There's a stim pack for your pleasure. He's just hanging there.
Oh, I must be in power armor. Okay, you know, fuck that. I don't want that.
Ew.
I do want to use that hunting rifle though. That's pretty cool. Only have 9 bullets, but you know what? That makes it more realistic. I don't know if there's any more dudes up here or not. Shitter.
No, no.
Nice.
Yay.
Oh yeah, we leveled up.
Get something good.
This is like the suicide booth from Futurama.
Don't go in there. Oh no.
I think that's the super mutant battle going on. There's Diamond City Security fight. Oh, I know what this is. What's up, Paladin Dance?
Oh. Aren't you supposed to come here after you... Oh yeah, that makes sense. You're supposed to be here. Cause you help the other dudes. Are they like officially the Men or whatever the name is?
Yeah, I think Preston Garvey is the last of the Minutemen,
Mm-hmm.
and essentially you help rebuild the Minutemen.
Excuse me.
We appreciate the
That's cool.
assistance, civilian. But what's your business here?
Pest exterminator. I heard you had a feral
I forget she
problem.
looks like that every time.
Fireway and yourself. Are you from a local sub?
Yes.
Infiltrate the facility. What do you say? Willing to lend the Brotherhood of Steel a hand?
Dog
Don't
meat's
pay
getting
any
into it
mind to
over
that.
there.
No time to waste. Let's go.
Outstanding.
Yeah, let's not pay any mind to whatever just happened over there.
Yeah, I'll do that later. I don't really care for the Brotherhood too much. I knew that was someone. Oh, he looks kind of sad.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll go cheer him up. Okay.
Oh
Jesus.
god. This place is unsafe. Oh my god. It's awful.
This is really fun to shoot him like this.
Yeah, I get too excited when I want to shoot and then I end up missing a bunch.
That's funny. I thought I was close to Diamond City. Oh shit! I was. I'm just-
Following the wrong marker. Ah,
I'm
dang.
kind of closer to Diamond City, so I'll just go to Diamond City. Here we go. Yeah, I really don't mind having dog meat now. I used to not like companions, but this kind of rocks.
Yeah, he doesn't bother you with conversation. He's just there.
He doesn't judge when I steal.
Yeah. He's just a dog. Just dog meat.
Dog meat found an enemy. Is it you? It's not. Who'd you find, dog meat?
Sick 'em, boy.
Get him.
Get him. Get him. Oh! Nice.
I fucking love this rifle.
Yes.
Yes. I probably don't need to tell you, but you only have 2 ammo left.
Oh yeah, thanks. I knew.
I knew. Do not tell me such a thing. Shit, yeah, just beat the fuck out of him. Dog meat.
Good job, boy.
Shortcut, that's my boy.
Good pathfinding, dog meat.
No way I can pick this.
It's too difficult. For how long, though? Do you see the lot here? No, it's pickpocket. Here we go. Super
Fucking
mutant.
got
like
him.
Pooper mutant.
Just had to say, that was a big dude.
Deadeye. Yeah, really.
Bingo.
It's pretty good. I wonder what else is in here.
Hello.
God damn, dude.
Dog meat, don't do that.
I guess there really only was one super mutant.
He was just hanging out by himself.
Uh,
Ew.
Gory, man.
You'd think that more of it would be hanging out through the little bars.
Through the bottom of it, dangling down like
Yeah.
guts
Ew.
and shit. Okay, I'm out of here.
Let's get the fuck out of here. Stinky in here. What's the difference between Radaway and Rad-X?
Rad-X boosts your immunity temporarily.
Oh.
No, Radaway. No, yeah, Rad-X does that, and Radaway removes radiation.
Okay.
This is typically where they're fighting super mutants.
I wonder what's different.
Are we playing on a really low difficulty?
I don't know what difficulty we're playing on. I didn't check.
Sometimes I really can't stand her. Just sometimes. She's a pretty good companion to have, but
Sometimes she's just out there.
yeah, sometimes she's just a little bit
Right
much.
now, Danny Sullivan. I live here. You can't just lock me
I
out.
love that one video of the mod that person got with
Danny,
their
open up.
exaggerated facial expressions. And then they get to Piper and she just looks like a crazy person. I mean, crazier than she already is. Doggy.
Oh,
Aww.
that's pretty cute, buddy.
Dog
Tyrant
meat.
mayor shuts down the press.
Don't look at me like
Why do
that,
we have
dog
to do
meat.
something? You support the news? Because the mayor's threatened to throw free speech in the dumpster.
Always believed in freedom of the press.
Oh,
That's some freaky
didn't mean to
lighting.
bring you into this argument, miss. No,
You look like a
no,
fucking
you
scoundrel.
look
I
like
don't want you in
Diamond
my city. Get
material.
out.
Welcome to the great
Stinky.
jewel of the
Stinky
Commonwealth.
stinko.
Safe, happy, a fine place to come. Spend your money.
Alright, cool, Piper. Alright, we made it to Diamond City. It was a little bit of a struggle there a couple times, but we made it. in the long run?
Yeah.
Do you think this dog has a butt?
Ew.
I can't tell.
I think he does.
Alright, sweet.
We can still say that you haven't died so far.
I have not died so far. You want to change that?
No, it's okay. Let it be natural.
Okay. That's a good idea.
Yeah, this was a great episode. It was a great time spending it with you guys, and thank you very much.
Yeah, see you around. Stay tuned till next time. We'll see what's what.
Hell yeah.